So today I'm going to be doing something for the first time that I've wanted to do for a really long time, and that's surface mount soldering. It's kind of like one of the last more intense electronics things that I have to do that I have not done yet. So I got this little kit, and I have a couple other things that some people have been kind enough to send me their kits that involve surface mount soldering, but I'm going to start with this because I had originally bought this back in, I think, the spring to try it out. And as you can see, it's a USSR rocket. This is by Bob Rickius, I hope I'm saying that correctly, on Tindy, and he makes these surface mount soldering kits for kids. I'm not sure if kids could do this, but maybe they can. I don't want to, just because something's hard for me doesn't mean it's hard for a kid. But anyway, basically, it's just your standard, like, cell battery kind of badge style thing where there's going to be some little LEDs down here, like the rocket's taking off, and then there's a tiny LED that I think is probably going to be really terrible to solder up at the tip here. So the kit's pretty good, like everything comes packaged. There are just enough components, so I better not lose them or break them. And we've got like 2 different resistor values, 4 caps that I actually don't know what their values are, and then the 3 LEDs, 3 transistors, the tiny little terrible LED, the coin cell battery holder, and a little switch. It has an on and off switch that gets soldered on the back. It's the back of the board. So it should be interesting. If nothing else, I'm gonna tape how it goes, and yeah. I'm a little nervous, but I've actually been watching a lot of videos lately of people doing surface mount soldering. David Watts just did one for his badge assembly for Badge Challenge that I am participating in, although a little late, admittedly, but there will be surface mount soldering for that, so this is another reason why I'm practicing. Micah from Scanlime also did a really great surface mount live stream for a bold port kit where she was really talking through the whole process, so I'll link both those videos down in the description because I found them to be really helpful, and hopefully they'll help me successfully solder this. So we'll see, but see you back at my workbench where we can try assembling this. Oh hey, Editing Liz here. You're gonna notice that the soldering footage is not as crispy as I normally have it. I used a GoPro, and I think I was probably just a little bit more focused on making sure the soldering went well rather than making sure the shot was looking good. So it's definitely not up to my usual standard of quality, and to be honest with you, if this was just like a normal kit I was doing as a video, I probably wouldn't post it, but since it is the first time I'm doing surface mount soldering, I am still going to post it, and I have some notes on how to avoid this quality issue in the future. But now, without a further delay, let's see how this went. Alright, so everything's all set, might as well get started. I'm going to start with the 1K resistors. They're marked 102, and there's 3 here, and there's 1 up here. So first we're going to put solder on 1 pad each. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. Okay. Now, this is the part I've been dreading. I'm going to take my little tweezers here. Gonna pick up the resistor. It's really awkward to do with my left hand. Guess I just kind of put it there, and then my hands are shaking. I'm gonna switch hands? No, I need 2 right hands to do this. Oy. Okay, let's see. Come on. No, I lifted it. Did I do it? Oh my god, I think I did it. I think I did it! I soldered my first surface mount component. Oh my god. Not very well. Like, this is about how to surface mount. Alright. Come here, little guy. I think I did it. It's like really crooked. Hold on. So one cool thing about surface mount is it's definitely easier to do if you like make a mistake, take something off. So now this one, oh, you're running away. I did it. Okay, now to soldering the other side. Okay, that was better. Let's do that to these. Okay, I think that, oh my god, I'm doing it! Holy shit! Alright, so one more up here. That's a lot better. Okay, I think my nerves have like kind of chilled. Just needed to get through those first ones. Should tin the other pad, it's easier to get to. Let's turn my hand in an awkward position. That sounds like a much better idea. Oh, why? I dropped it too. Okay, let's just tin the other pad. I feel like this video will be stressful for people to watch. Like honestly, it'd be stressful for me to watch. So like, I understand if you don't. Okay, it just flew away. I could just turn the vise, couldn't I? That would probably make more sense. Let's do that. Just turn the vise. Okay, that was not as graceful as the other three, which weren't that graceful either. But those are all set. Now let's do the other resistors, and I'm just dreading these and these and enjoying the whole thing. Next are the 1 mega ohm resistors, and there's 3 of those, so just peel them. Peeling open the little packaging for the SMD components was easier than I thought it'd be, so that's good at least. So let me think. It'd be easier to solder these pads. A little blobby, but... So, I think I lost the little top LED. It's just gone. I had all my components in this little tray here, it's just not there. I put it literally right here. Oi, oh, whatever. Am I getting the hang of this? Not too bad, it's not totally sucking. To do next, let's do the capacitors. The weird thing is, I haven't been able to tell if these have polarity. I don't think they do because I'm not seeing any marking on them, and there's no ground marked on the diagram. And all the other polarities are clearly marked, so I'm gonna go with no. So let's tin these pads. These pads are way bigger. If you didn't have tweezers, it'd be an absolute nightmare, so you definitely need tweezers. That one went pretty well. Oh, flying capacitor. Alright, should we do these? I'm more worried about messing up the polarity of the LEDs. These are all the same type, luckily. These are way easier than I thought they'd be. Wow, I wouldn't think they'd be as easy based on the size. I hope this turns on after all this. Okay, now we're at the LEDs, the ones I haven't lost, at least. It looks like the notch on the LED means that that's ground, and the ground is on this side, so the notch will be facing this way. I don't know if that's good or not. I mean, considering it's my first time, it's not going terribly, but it's not great either. You know what? My third one, that last one, it went a lot better. Alright, now I've done all the surface mount parts, now it's just the through hole. But here's the completed thing. It's not beautiful, but you know, I got it done. So now we're gonna see if it worked. Nope. Oh, okay. 2 of them work. I have the on-off switch powered on incorrectly. I guess you have to put it up here, but then the thing is blocked. You can't get... Okay, fine. Fair enough, I accept. So let's resolder that LED. That's the one that's like up in the air, so it could be why. Alright, tried a couple things, and I can't get to light. There's a chance I might have melted this transistor a little bit. I don't know. But, 2 of them light up. I mean, that's why I kind of, like, chose this kit as, like, my first surface mount soldering experience, because, pretty low stakes, like, I just kind of wanted to get a feel for it. And, I definitely, although my work is not very pretty right now, I definitely have, a better idea of how it works now, and I think I can do better next time. So definitely learned a lot doing this. I think it's kind of funny that only 2 of them light up. And of course our poor missing top LED. So it's kind of a comedy of errors, but hopefully this doesn't scare you away from SMD soldering. Hopefully you can see that it's not like that scary. Like I didn't struggle like that much. And you just gotta try it. You just gotta kind of do it. Get a cheap little silly kit and go for it. I'll link this kit, actually the page for Bubricius Tindy store down there, because he also has some little like trucks and cars that are cute. You don't have to necessarily go with the USSR rocket. But thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. If you did, toss me a thumbs up. Leave any questions or comments down below. Consider subscribing for more content like this. And until next time, this has been Blitz City DIY.